Today's video is brought to you by 310 EDU. I've always maintained one goal as a horseman, stockman, and roper: to be as consistent as humanly possible.
Woo, she heavy.
My greatest training tool for achieving this has been our video content. Applying the principles we teach at 310 EDU will give you a better relationship with your horse, a deeper understanding of stockmanship and cattle behavior, and a far more versatile roping shot selection. These videos allow us to deep dive into the finer details of our craft while breaking down missed opportunities and great shots second by second. My ranch roping field guide is free with every membership, giving you an amazing tool to work on your consistency and versatility. Scan this QR code and go check out hundreds of hours of doctoring, branding, stockmanship, horsemanship, and more. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Did you get that?
I got that.
Okay, so everybody else, listen to this too. Everybody in a hack, and a hackamore, or a snaffle with a Mecate, okay? This rein is the length my rein would be if I was training on something, okay? So the way this looks when you're riding is gonna look like this, right? If you're two-handing one, kind of training them around. When we're roping, this can be a lot in your hand, right? So, and this might not be like politically correct, but it's the way I get by it, okay? I can't have this big coil in my hand and my rope at the same time. So what I do is I shorten that up a lot. And I shorten it up to the point where I can still put it around my horn if I get down to work with something. Like I can still hang my rein up there, and it's not, my horse isn't gonna step in it. Does that make sense? But I have it short enough to where if I need to make contact with his mouth or offer a feel, I can. Does that make sense? So now if you drop that coil, you'd have been up here trying to stop your horse. Well, now if you need to like check him up or, hey, listen, you know what I mean? You can still offer plenty of pressure and release or offer a feel with that slobber strap, the weight of that slobber strap, right? It's just not as much rein in your hand. Does that make sense?